Hola mis amores, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey. So for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I get a sleek puff or bun, whatever you want to call it. This style took me less than 5 minutes, only because I wasn't doing all that separating, wetting, detangling, all of that. I did this on dry hair. I did not have my hair soaking wet to do this, so I'm showing you guys how I did it the fast, quick and easy way. And it is slicked down, like as you can see. I don't have no lumps or anything. Like, it is